sweet. B is for ball, it bounces on your feet. C is for cat, it says meow meow. D is for dog, can you hear it now? A is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand. H is for hat, wear it. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear its roar in the sky. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest, for birds to see. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin, waddling around. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for sun, shining bright and hot. T is for turtle, walking in a spot. U is for umbrella for rainy skies. V is for violin, making music rise. W is for whale in the ocean deep. X is for is on the fro, it sounds so neat. Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we